At LMU Libraries, we understand that sometimes it's difficult to come pick up materials. To make things a bit easier, you can try our book delivery service at no cost. You can request from your computer, tablet, or mobile device. Simply visit LMU's library homepage at library.lmunet.edu. On the navigation bar, beneath Services, select Book Delivery, and you will be redirected to a fillable form. You can either choose from our listed locations: Harrogate, Cedar Bluff, DCOM, The Tower, Chattanooga, Corbin, Tampa, or select Other and manually enter the address of your choosing. Please include the complete citation of the resource. If you need help generating a citation, make sure to watch our video using the library catalog citation tool for instructions on how to generate a citation for a book or article found in our catalog. The link can be found in the description. Finally, submit your form and a library staff member will contact you by email once your request has been fulfilled. Have questions or need assistance? Our friendly staff are here to help. Visit us at any of our site circulation desks, call us, or use the chat feature on our website. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you at LMU Libraries. Happy researching!